guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be trying out the famous wave formers. As you guys may have seen, it has been going around the YouTube universe, so I was like, why not try it? So today I'm gonna go ahead and try it. I got these from eBay and it was like 48 in the pack, and I paid like $29 for it, and it took about 3 weeks for me to get it. So I already have my hair in section, so I use the leave-in conditioner that I use is the All Things Are Natural leave-in conditioner with the lemongrass, and I follow up with the Melanin Twist Elongating Cream, and then I follow up with the oil. And I'm gonna add a little bit of the Eden Body Works Nourishing Curl Gem just for a little hold. So stay tuned, can't wait to see what happens. All right, okay guys, so I'm on the last row. I'm just gonna do this on camera, and I'm gonna try my best to show y'all how to do it, because it is really hard working with this with products on your hand. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna twist the ends, the roots, because you don't want your roots to be fluffy. And you're gonna take this end, hook it up, slide it down, and then hold this in and pull through. See, it is easy as that. At first it was a struggle for me because I was like, I can't do it. But once I did like a few of them, it became easier. Like anybody can do it. So gonna twist the root, put it in, slide it, and pull. Finally, last but not least, pull, and slide. Okay, so I'm all done. I just have to wait until it dried. I'm gonna turn around so you can see the back. Yeah guys, so I'll be back in a few hours. Look at this, guys. Oh my gosh, I love it. It is awesome. I am super excited. Oh my god, I don't even want to separate it. Well, I'm gonna separate this section. Ooh. I love it. Well, let me do a 360 so you guys can see how it looks like in the back. So this is the side. Oh, forget the cheer in the back. But yeah, I love the result. So guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.